Hello, I'm doing another mechanical pencil. This pencil is the Rotring Tikky 0.7 millimeter. That's from the sticker that was on it. Not sure why they don't just make them where they're not like that. I mean, you're going to be putting your fingers on it. I'm glad it's just not lower down. Yes, by Rotring. This is the lead I'm using. It's probably at least 3 decades old, at least. It's HB. It's Berol, however you pronounce that. Says Japan here, so I'm guessing it's made in Japan. If you want to see that. Alright. This pencil, it comes in varying sizes and colors. It's plastic, metal clip, metal tip. Does it rattle? Sort of. Not really. It's pretty well made. It's cylindrical barrel, kind of a rubberized grip here. Has no grade indicator. Grade of the lead does have the size there. Eraser. It's small as the usual ones. It has no wire cleaner like some of the erasers might have. So cleaning it or maintaining it might be a little hard. That was fairly easy to unscrew, so that's good. Pros and cons. I like it. I like the lead. It does have kind of a squeaking sound. I don't know, I'm guessing it's from the lead and not the this, although it could be like a frequency going up into it, but it squeaks when maybe you'll hear it. I don't know, it's kind of weird. Could be the lead. I haven't tried a different lead in it yet. I guess I should have done that. But for whatever reason, some kind of frequency or resonance, vibration comes through and it kind of makes a squeaking sound. Just kind of weird. The sticky stuff, not cool. That's yeah, it was one of those like hologram sticker things for authenticity, I guess. But still, I guess I could get like use alcohol to get that off. Maybe I'm not really sure. I'll have to figure that out before I put it for sale on eBay. Although I might keep it. I haven't decided yet. All right. Time for the ABCs and 1, 2, 3s. All right. One, two, three. So lines. Squigglies. Did you hear that squeak? That was what I was talking about. You may have not heard it, but that was it. Okay, lines to be erased. Okay. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. There's it erased. Seems okay. No better than any other. No worse than any other either. The HB on this one, I think, is a little light, but still pretty good for an HB that's, you know, that was made 30 or more years ago. Yeah, I'll give you different angles so maybe you'll see what I'm talking about. I think I might, when I show you all the comparison video of all the different LEDs, I think I might use my phone and just track over it with my phone so that you can see the differences in LED, and hopefully the lighting will be good. I have lots of different papers. I have a couple of different notebooks. Yeah. Alright, that's that video. Thank you.